Bless my heart.
And that's why I'm cleaning this very well. I want to breathe in my truck.
That I had. Shit.
I'm gonna sneeze.
Say it in Spanish.
Yeah.
Salud.
Bless you.
I'm gonna see this. I'm gonna see this. I'm gonna see this. Goodness.
You're recording all this, right? Huh? You're recording. We use Fahrenheit down here. I don't know what it would be. Celsius. Oh. Right here, you should be able to stick on.
Ugh. I have a sneeze. Oh god! I have to sneeze. That was
Woo, bless you.
Oh, excuse me.
See you tomorrow with the regular vlogs. Oh, make sure you... What the fuck?
Effortlessly natural. Sorry, I gotta sneeze.
And oh, sorry. There are kites flying. Sorry.
There it goes. Oh no.
Да. Извините.
Our animal is the sneeze.
E o a casa interrompida. Like I wanna like the hot shot.
Oh my goodness gracious.
I told you. I'm so sorry. I have to sneeze.